Hey guys, here is Su, the salesman from Qihui Lighting. Our company is LED emergency driver manufacturer. So let's imagine that sometimes we will invite our friend to join a party. So can you imagine that when you are having a good time and the power is outage? So you must be down because the darkness. How to solve this problem? Don't worry, here's a product. FAT could help you. And first, let's see the package. Here is the brand name FAT, and under FAT here is the power supply, the product usage. On the bottom right, here is our certificate, CE and rows here. Okay, let's see the back view. And the right side here is the wiring diagram of the emergency driver, and the left side is the important information of the emergency driver. And first is the item number F1A, and second input voltage AC 85 to 265, and power for 3 to 40 watt LED lamps, and emergency time over 2 hours, and warranty is 3 years. And last, this driver is suitable for all LED lamps with external driver here. Okay, let's check. And first we can see the product is wrapped with a transparent plastic bag, and then we take it off. As we can see, here is a bag of dryer. It's for slowing the oxidation during transportation here. And here is a paper. It's the product's menu here. So if you want something information, you can search in here. And then it's the most important, the product F1A here. It's the front view. And right side also is a wiring diagram. It's same as here, wiring diagram. And the left side is information about product. And on the middle side, here is the brand logo here. On the back wheel here, it touches so smooth because he used the aluminum housing, and it also can cool down the surface temperature. Here on the side view here. On the one side here is a button, test button with 3 indicator here, and the other side here is a hole for plugs. Okay, I'm going to introduce the plug. Here is a female connector and male connector, and there is a 3 layers. Yellow-green layer represent the earth wire, and the brown wire represent the live wire, and the blue wire represent the natural wire here. Okay, that's all the outside information. Let's check inside. And first we can see here is a back sticker, and here is a PCB, and here is a battery here. And this black sticker is for fixing the battery here during the transportation here. And then for safety, our PCB use overcharge and over discharge protection, and we also bring an insulating oil on the surface of PCB here. And last, the battery is used 3.7 volt, 2400 milliampere hour, and it means that when the emergency driver turns to emergency mode, it can shine at least 2 hours here. So, the most important thing is that the battery is replaceable. So if the battery or PCB have something problem, and you can replace it easily here, just like that. And last, here is the pattern. We have the pattern for this product. This is the design pattern, and here is the utility of model pattern here. Okay, that's all information about our product, and let's check how does it work. The wiring process here. As you can see, here is the LED light, a switch, a dryer, and main power, and emergency driver here. So, and first let's see the diagram here. Here is the wiring diagram here. So you can depend on the diagram to connect it. And then we already connect some of wire, such as here. Here's the main power, and this ground wire is mean the live wire, and the blue wire is natural wire here. And we will connect the live wire of the main power to the one side of switch here, and then the other side of switch will connect to the one side of LED driver here. So it means that this wire here, and the other side of LED driver will connect the natural wire of the main power here. So it's there. Okay, let's connect it. As we can see, here is a female connector and male connector, and 3 wire here. And first, let's connect the female connector to the male connector of the LED light here. And then we will connect the male connector to the LED driver of female connector here. Now we have 3 wires, and this yellow-green wire is earth wire, and this brown wire is live wire, and blue wire is the natural wire. So we connect the live wire to the live wire here. Connect the natural wire to the natural wire of the main power here. So that's all the wiring process. Okay, let's check how does it works. And first, we turn on the main power, and this switch is represent our home, the switch, and switch on, switch off, switch on. It means that the light is used as usual here. And here, when the power outage, the light will return to the emergency mode quickly here. First, when we can see here is the indicator here, and the red indicator, it means that the emergency driver is charging, and the green indicator means that the mains power is working here. So, and then turn off the power, and the light turn to the emergency mode. And as you can see here is a blue indicator, and means the emergency driver is working, and it turns to the emergency mode here. Okay guys, here is all the wiring process, and okay guys, here is all information about our product FONA here. So this product is for 3 to 40 YLD length. So if you are finding a driver for tube, just follow me the next video. I will show you the FONB for tube. Okay, that's all. Thanks for your watching, and see you next time.